Namaste everyone. Hello. My name is Arav Bandari. I am from grade 5 and today we are having a science exhibition in our new school, so let us have a tour.
So this is your project, right?
Yes.
So can you tell what is the topic of your project?
Our project is from biology. One is chemical used in daily life and
Now, can you just tell me the topic of your project?
chemical used in daily life and pesticides.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
I am Janika Chaudhary from grade 10.
Can you tell me something about your project?
About this project, these are natural pesticides that we have made in home. We have stored it for 2 days and we can spray it. It will keep pests from away from the plants. It will keep the plants more nice and it will grow faster. And if we use chemical pesticides, it will remain in soil for a longer time and then soil will be polluted, air also will be polluted and
So you have made pesticides by using natural things, right?
yeah.
So what materials did you use?
Here I have used onion, I have stored it for 2 days and this is chili powder and this one is on garlic.
So you have used onion, chili powder and garlic. Okay, good. Okay, now tell me the benefits of these kind of natural chemicals.
If we use natural pesticide then they are less toxic than the chemical pesticide. They doesn't remain in soil for a longer period of time and they doesn't pollute air, soil or other microorganisms. They doesn't kill the beneficial microorganisms or earthworms which are to keep the soil more moisture so that plants can grow more nicely. And it breaks down naturally in environment. It is eco-friendly and environmental friendly. We can make this in home and use it for our purpose. Thank you.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
I am Pratika Nepal from grade 10.
Tell me the name of your project.
The topic of our project is chemical use in daily life.
Okay. If it's very good, then can you just explain what are the chemicals we use in our daily life?
Number one is lemon. We use it for cleansing a different type of copper and essence of a plastic corner. And this one is ash. We also call it kharani in Nepali. This is used as it is
Which acid is found? We found in lemon.
nitric acid.
Which acid? Nitric. What acid do we find in lemon?
We find citric acid in it.
Okay. And what acid is there in ash?
Potassium carbonate.
Then what is volcano?
Volcano is eruption when the blast will start. Volcano will erupt.
So blast, meaning to say anything due to the hot temperature inside the earth crust, you can see volcano, right? So can you just show the demo of your project? What powder is that?
This is baking soda, and little bit red color.
And what is in your bottle? What do you have in your bottle?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Okay.
I will sell you the demo.
Oh my goodness. So this is your volcano, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. Introduce yourself.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Sandeep Patel. And this is our match stick fire project. Ang sapang po. Ang sapang po. Yes, my name is Alex Kayari. I read in grade 5. My project name is water purification. My name is Jan. Well, I'm from grade 5. My project is water purification. Let me explain my project. Our project is water purification. Dirty water into clean water. What? How does it work? It works by first only stones, charcoal, and small corn and red wine. Can you taste that? Oh my god, this project is so nice. Really thanks activity. Very good thanks activity now. Girls, can you introduce yourself? I'm Miss Radhikari. I'm reading already. I'm always reading. Can you show your project? Yes, this is our YouTube channel, Fixing and Motor and Battery. When you tell this, it is rated and when you tell this according to the past and the body. No? Thank you. What is the name of this project? The name of this project is merry-go-round. Can you show our what? Yes, this is battery and whenever we connect this, it will rotate. What is the physics behind this? Whenever we pass the current to the motor, it will rotate, and this is another physics behind this project. Hi guys, this student looks so smart and this is our history also. Can you all introduce yourself? Yes, and good afternoon everyone. It's me Sama Vyachara with my dream gate 9. It's me Rosa Dilang. It's me Rosa Acharya. Myself Saurav Delhi from grade 9. Myself Rashida Jawari from grade 9. Myself good afternoon to you all. It's me Fatima Diman, grade 9. What is the name of this project? The name of our project is Greenhouse and Smart City. If you have any queries, then you can ask. What is this greenhouse for? Sorry? What is this greenhouse? Here are the different plants that are kept for the decreasing the temperature to control the temperature. Let me explain this to you. This city is made with the digital tools. Here are the many facilities you get. Here is our hospital, building, school, park. What is the physics behind this? Sorry? Guys, what's your name?
It's me Abhimanyu Nirvani from grade 9 with my friends. You just want to say this name to cover from this. It's me Roshan Dimal in grade 9. Today we are presenting our project. The name of our project is electrolysis of water.
What is electricity of water?
Electrolysis of water is the process of dissociation of water into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas by using electricity. It has several uses. For example, oxygen production, hydrogen production, industrial application, etc.
How does it work?
It works. The positive term is called anode by oxygen. The negative term is called cathode by hydrogen. You can see here is many bubbles, so it is hydrogen. Here is less bubbles, so it is oxygen. Now my friend will show how it will work.
So what is this?
We are going to take this back in next.
Where do they get hydrogen gas from?
One letter the next step.
Can you show it? What was that sound about?
It is sound of hydrogen.
Can you all introduce yourself? Yes.
It is actually produced from grade 7.
It's me friend from our from grade 7.
It's me Simran Gatra from grade 7.
It's me GSUA from grade 7.
It's me Universe from grade 7.
So how does this work?
It's a long drive and you can see if you have done comparison with right long and left long, you can see left long is bigger and longer, right? And left long is smaller, right? And this is air part when you will take off the wheel of ice, right? And you can see like this, these are them. And if there is blood to add, yes, and it will add to the purification of blood and not take the oxygen and we can see like this. As you can see, when you breathe, right? When you breathe, your breath will be up and down, right? Like that. I can tell you an example. When you blow it, it will be up and down. Wow, look at this vacuum car. Brother, can you explain the working?
This is a modal working accelerator. It can be used as and materials for many people to solve alternative systems. They can work on it. It is a modal working system. By using it very different how it works. It works very this handle. Inside this cylinder there is friction. It will go upwards by creating vacuum.
Wow, this is wonderful. Can you show us how it works?
Yes. Hi, my name is Ravi. I am my group, Ayush, Rizal and Power. And today we have one achievement which is DC motor. So we have electric motor, or we can say it electric motor. So electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So it is very useful in our daily modern life. So we can use it in different electrical appliances, whether electric fan, computer printer, etc. And here, how does it work? So it works on the principle of motor effect, where when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field is created. So we have used enamel copper wire, magnet, pieces of magnet, piece of wood, battery, a dry cell of ribbon current bulb, and a wire and a screw. So how does it work means, like when electricity is on the switch, electric current is passed through the conductor and on the wire. So when electricity is passed through this conductor, a magnet is fluid, which creates a force and it rotates. So that's all. So now my friend give us to show the working of this DC motor. So let's it was on the principle of electric motor when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field is created.
They haven't seen a water fountain, so let's make a fun activity for what?
Which solution that we are standing here to present my project. It's my friend Purna Gurapaji is here. So let's start. Have you learned about the water fountain? A water fountain is a decorative structure that gets the water in aesthetic and dramatic way. So let's start. Our water fountain is just the water. So look. The principle used in this is Bernoulli's principle. High pressure stand downward and low pressure. What a great water fountain. Hello, my name is Andrea from with my friends to make a project of motorboat, and our motorboat is simply ready. So with this motorboat, we just fit dynamo, battery, wire, and
I'm Pranjal Tijani. My project name is Solar and it works like this. My project name is
Explain the working of your model. Show me the working. How does it work? कैसे काम करते हैं? बताओ your model is कैसे काम करता है? Okay, this blue. What is this blue? Infuser. Okay, it will go to the from cells to the lungs. Then
This is pure blood.
pure blood, and
It goes to the lungs.
it comes from lungs to other parts. Tell me about the working of your model.
Impure blood will pass from here to lungs and pure blood will pass from here to
From where?
from lungs to capillaries.